Hi guys, today I'd like to share a super practical equipment, Night Vision helmet mode. High strength, lightweight aviation aluminum alloy body, durable and portable. The installation is very simple. The snap design makes the night vision device can be securely fixed to the helmet, which is convenient and safe. And press here to freely adjust and change the position of the monocular night vision device. The universal interface can be connected to monocular devices. This mode is highly versatile and affordable. Definitely the first choice for night vision users. If you are interested in it, don't hesitate and contact us. Bye.